Yo, what's going on, traders? What's poppin', my G's? Oh, good. Good morning. I hope you had a wonderful start in the morning. Well, I wasn't laying in my bed. I saw that opportunity on gold. I was buying it, and it worked out well. I nearly made back all the losses that I had on the two trades yesterday. And yeah, I've shared this trade only with my students. If you missed out on that opportunity, then you're probably not in the inner circle yet. But anyways, let's talk about the trade, why I took the trade. Yeah, first of all, let's start with this double top in here. So I saw this double top, right? And the market was going down, breaking structure in here, and I'm sure so many sellers stepped into the game at this point with their stops just above here, because I mean the double top is like a retail pattern that most of the time gets hunted pretty quick. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, cool, where's the next significant level? And the next significant low in this bullish structure was this one here. And I mean, this could have been a nice entry zone as well, but as you can see, the market was just slashing through it, grabbed the liquidity in here as well, and when I saw that, I was ready to wait for some bullish action. I wanted to get in because the stop was pretty small, as you can see, and we really need to look on the 1 minute chart in here, because the market was dropping pretty aggressive. You see that? Pretty aggressive, but then we had the first nice bullish candle, little pullback, and then another big one, and I was like, okay, for me that's something like a 3 leg extension. As you can see, the market didn't came back to go for lower lows, and it just grabbed the liquidity. So we are probably facing the next liquidity in here. So this is what the market wants to achieve next, because there are all the stops. This is where the market can make business. Here are stops, here are stops, and this is where the market want to get next, because we already grabbed the liquidity here, like the market already made its business here. Oh, now it's gone. Give me a second. Look, the market already made its business here, trapped so many sellers in here. Now all their stops sitting here and here. You see that? So that's why I wanted to buy in here, because I mean, we're already in a big bullish trend, so why not stepping into the game in an area where liquidity just got grabbed. So yeah, that's why I took the trade. This was my goal. I really wanted to hold it through here, but the market was, for me, kind of too slow. Let me show you where I exited the trade. So I was getting in here after this bullish candle. I was jumping in, and my stop was at around 1890, a little bit, yeah, somewhere in here, you see. So, and then the market was moving up like crazy, and when we grabbed the first liquidity in here, and I saw that it gets rejected, I was instantly closing 50% of my position. So I closed 50% of my position in here. Then the market was pulling back, broke the structure in here, and this was the moment when when I closed this 50% over here. Of course, I moved my stop to break even. Okay, so and then when I had my stop at around break even, I was like, okay, let's try to load it up again. So when it came back, broke the structure in here, and I saw the first bullish candle, the first green candle in here. I was getting in again with a loading it up position, and moved my stop to, I think it was just below this one. I mean, the market stopped in here a little bit, then boom, had that next big push. So I was placing my stop just below that low in here. Okay, so I had my entry in here, stop was here, and here was my next two positions. So I closed two positions in here, opened two more positions in here, and then I was really I wanted to bank profits in here so bad. But as you can see, the market was pushing. I was like, okay, cool. Then I was like, no. And I was like, okay, cool. And then it was just so slow that I decided to get out of here. I was getting out of here because it was moving too slow for me. I wanted to take the move with momentum, you know. I didn't want to hold it for too long and give back all my profits, because if the stop would be hit, I would have ended up with like a break even on the last portion of my volume that I had in the market. I mean, I already banked more than 1% with 50% of my volume. I banked more than 1% in here, and then I still had like trades running. So I decided to close all of them with profit in here because it was just too slow. I mean, I really tried to let it run out until here. If I would have held it, I mean, as you can see, it would have been a great trade. But I was not patient enough to let it go through all this kind of consolidation without really momentum, you see, because it was in the London session. I mean, I was trading gold in the London session pretty early this morning. When I woke up, I was like, okay, cool, that's a nice opportunity. Let's jump in and see if we can get a nice trade. And the market did exactly what I expected. As you can see now, it just slashed through the liquidity over here from the double top. As you can see, it just slashed through this liquidity. I mean, a double top is so obvious, guys. So many retail traders, they stepping into the game as soon as the structure breaks, as soon as this neckline breaks, and they thought like this thing will drop like crazy. But no. We are in a bullish trend, guys. Yesterday I tried to pick the top kind of ways. It was a little bit stupid. We really need to be careful, guys. Don't try to pick tops and bottoms of the market. It's much better to move within that flow, with the flow. You don't need to pick the top or the bottom. It doesn't make sense, you know. I mean, if you try to pick the top or the bottom of the market and the market keeps trending, you will just eat stop losses along the way. So try to move with the flow. The trend is your friend. It's just like that, guys. And I mean, like, it's a tricky game, guys. We all know the markets are manipulated. They getting moved by the market makers. And yeah, if you understand these type of movements within these sessions, then like 1 or 2 hours a day is enough for you. You just need 1 or 2 good trades. I mean, you see what they are trying to achieve. You wait for their move, and then you just step into the game with them after others got stopped out. And this is how we do it. Easy as that. And if you want to learn how we do this, if you really need a structured course, check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. I will put the link in the description as always. And if you have any questions, you can drop me a private message in Telegram. Alright, please don't send any WhatsApp messages to somebody in the comment section. I know that there are a couple of guys who always commenting, trying to take some of my viewers and scam them in a WhatsApp chat with some crypto stuff. I'm not trading crypto, guys. Don't try to message any number on WhatsApp, okay? It's not me. I only use Telegram, alright? So if you want to talk to me personally, drop me a message in Telegram. I will put the link in the description as well. And join the free Telegram chat as well. I'm sharing some trading ideas and stuff, results and everything in there. And yeah, in chapter 11, Beat the Market Makers, this is where you're going to learn how these market makers move in the market so you can move with them, okay? So yeah, make sure to check it out. I've put some of my student feedbacks in here as well. You will find some more in my YouTube channel. I have a playlist with more than 50 or 70 video feedbacks from students. Check it out. That's the real deal, guys. And yeah, I hope you're all having a good time. Hope you're all healthy, wealthy, and yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.
nobody knows, yeah.